This is the mosquito repellent bracelet. As you can see, it is DEET free. It's 100% natural oil. Now, the package is in a Ziploc package, and you actually need to keep these things in the package in order to keep them fresh and usable. They come in a variety of different colors. Go ahead and pull all these out here so you can see them. There's 12 pieces, 4 different colors in the package. So there's blue and yellow and brown and green. And let's set these down a second here. Basically all you have to do is put these on. They snap on and they are reusable, and you just put them around like that, and the idea is that they keep your entire body free of mosquitoes. They do have a fairly strong aroma to them. You can smell them, which obviously lets you know that they're working. The one thing that I would like to see is that they come in this single bag, and it would be really nice because these things, I got these to review actually in the middle of the winter, and I don't have any mosquitoes around here at this time of the year. I'm going to have them in the spring, and I've already opened the package up. It is a self-sealing, or it is a sealable Ziploc bag here, but it would be really nice if these things actually came in individual packages within this so that you could make sure that they really do stay fresh. Each wristband lasts up to 240 hours of wear, and inside the package it will last for up to 2 years when you aren't wearing it. But if they were individually sealed, I think that I would feel better about knowing that these things were still going to be fresh and usable come next spring and summer. So that is the mosquito repellent bracelet.